Ketenat Urban Affairs juga Sarkar Jalal bau sembut menteri beripet ya kini ketenan kalau buat thong baka phase 1 jong kate jing tay ya kayo lai mkra an pendap no hau benai leber arja arpsau sembut menteri rang bau lopan pau ya kini hadian ke jingwan jurep ya kini kayo haka step jong ka khat lai tarik no pra arja arpulai haringkat ke MLA na East Jilong ke Dr. Maisel Ampri Lingdo kepada ru ke menteri hak Sarkar MDA 2 Ketika yo ketika way na pedangki project jong Smart City Mission buat lambang menpendap hak jing penlut ke bolong lai pupra kulur tingka. Uba asnya bahalang dhar ula ong ru badamar ke jingwan ling shop ke khlam COVID-19 kalau penslam ya kenika kam Henry ula ong baya ke phase 1 unlap menpendap no hau benai leber badan sedang pat saya ke phase 2. Ula pentep bakat kum ke DPR kin don shispa prapo teliki dukan bat kejaka yang kali na kebenta shispa teliki kali hapo ke yo lai mkra thamai.
No, actually, I feel very happy to see the work is progress in a very, very positive way. So hopefully, this first week, it seems we will be able to complete by last week of February. Then we'll move to the second phase. Project cost is 38 crore for this one. First phase, I think just take it by first week of March as per it should be able to hand over. Then only then we'll be able to move to the second phase. It's extend because of the COVID. Because the contractor got a work order just before COVID and 2 years, you know very well just so. But anyway, we'll try to complete within the target time. So as per DPR is 183, 100 number of car. The place we stand is a parking space.
Hadian ke jingwan jurep ikan ke yo lai mkra usembut menteri rang ba ubasnya balang dhar ulalai ruan jurep yagi project gibraya chakmat hak jing pentrai na kate commission hapolo maudiang diang bat Anjali parking lot.
This one and Polo and ICCC project and retrofitting Anjali. So I request you to be with me. So I can give you a goodbye after all the completion of the project.
Tip, kani ke projek tak selam re. Kani ke projek nado bangidang sedang ya ke construction bayi ke target pandem March 2024. So we are actually on time. But mentakasni hadirin kejingwan gedunga bat I Honorable Urban Minister bat I Deputy Chief Minister jong kejala kejungi bat balang ngiyo I baka progress kalong very very satisfactory. Now kani ke project kadang datang ke phase 1 kandon sa ka phase 2 mahakatay ke jaka kabangi relocate iki vendors na kani kayo satay kidon kumasis pa prapunyungod ki vendors dimenta ngin hapan dismantle saya katay ngin relocate iki hangne di henrai shwa banle lut iki tabaro ni hapan yung shong shwa ban ki officers ki designers ki architect ki engineers namar ngindang hapan ya kren iki issues kat ne kat totally ingis ngungu sibon ya I Deputy CM bai lapoi hakan ni jaka ngayo last minute information nga claim yo ban ya tho iki snong tang ba in the next dialogue ngin sia kren lang bat snong ru ni ko ban tip ya ka utility jong kini ki spaces kano ke area ngin utilize na kamta kano ka jat kan ni da trang ban pet bakayong lagumkra kanlong ka massive integrated project kung bakalong menta hakan ni jaka ka parking ka ditang namta sispa teliki kali nginumla namar approximately kidukan hakini ki arteliki buildings kin kot syaka sispa kandai po sispa let's say la arspa tingi hapan pek ba ka ratio of vehicular parking of 1:100 kamot maribe kanumlong ni hapan pet bakataru ngin la man achieve ngin hapya kran kat bat kasnong man ngi kermen bakasnong ru kan ya try deng kat bat ni kasnong kalalong awe ngi kwa ru ban accommodate hangtai ngi kwa pan ai ya kasnong la nyam kha pulun ya ka big community facility ha katai ga jaka ka jong kasnong kuat ban ai ki ke community hall mi kuat ban ai ki ke revenue sharing program mi kuat ban ai ki ya ke parking bakiru kin imlang ha kini gisnem ki banwan Tila da kini baru ngile simultaneously ngatrai kan bat kan wan lam ya kata ka facelift ang ni halai kra ka ba manu ro kim palla mani imagine ti kadi kadi go ba sakaway ka bantag manghap ni kren benda ka nang ni kantod siya no na marmaya kituro nimpa le ya kata ka intervention ngin hapan yung show ba PWD nabi show ka urban affairs ban mga kum ka Emily chong ka constituency ban pet ban ba kum ya kataro ka bala man long insignificantigi babon balang re ka balong very important nam ta ka success to ka project kayaw ka rim hang ni ka sakot ka ka pentran ya ka foundation jong ketukudukan kayaw ba kabaywan ra iba Peter bampuay waru budai nadu 19 82 83 84 so this is a good day for the people of Laimukra. This is a good day for the people in general of Shillong City pangiyo kum kani ka intervention ka baitanan cause escalation kan don previous calculations mindang ya keren min hapek bakadon ka proper fencing hangni ni hapek bakadon ka security ka ban secure ya ka safety jong ka building but ya ka safety jong kinonglet nong one hakani kayo. I am hopeful and I am grateful ba ublay don dekat bat ngi hakani ka project kadi ka dream come true na ka betajungi but nginum iweiru ijing ya kana klem da ya kana lupa leaving no stone unturned. We have to make sure that this will be a legacy for generations to come. People of Laimukra should be the first targeted beneficiaries for employment generation and opportunity. I'm going to put my foot down and we're going to make sure that this becomes a legacy for the people of Laimukra particularly.